Hi guys, welcome to this video about problems with uploading videos to hideout.tv. Yeah, this is a pretty new site, and some content creators are using or have started using it, but it has quite some problems still. I mean, you cannot compare it to YouTube, definitely not, and it comes up with a lot of problems and errors when you upload videos. Here, one of the problems is, like, it's saying, looks like you have already submitted this video may be pending approval or may have already been approved, such things, which is absolutely not true. In this case, I've been uploading a brand new video and this error message is totally wrong here. I mean, it can be correct regarding the file name, but if you have same file name and different size, I mean different content, then it shouldn't be duplicate, but it looks like they are just looking at the file name and nothing else. But sometimes not even this is the case. But if you really think it is the file name, then go to the Explorer and rename the file name and upload and try again. So I click it away. Also, another very frequent error is when you drag and drop the file here and it's going to upload. As you can see, this progress strip, and yeah, when it reaches 71.19 megabytes, sometimes it just gets stuck here and doesn't move at all. Also, you can see it is not moving evenly. I mean, we are already close to 71 megabytes and yeah, it's still here and it's giving us the same error and a lot of other errors. I mean, sometimes really it just gets stuck, it doesn't move. It is at 100%, but it doesn't move, it's not doing anything. So what are my recommendations at this moment? Of course, there's the support, but usually it takes quite some time. So what helped me in the past is a few things. I mean, we have this refresh button here. You can use this, but it's even better to use it with the control button. So if you're holding the control button on your keyboard and at the same time you click on that, it will reload everything and prevent that something is loaded from the cache. That's definitely helping. Then I highly recommend to clean the cache anyway, so you can use like apps or add-ons, Chrome add-ons. So I have one here, clear cache, so you can go to the Chrome add-on page. You can use this clear cache here and that usually works. Again, reload with control, with holding the control, and then clear the cache. But also sometimes you need really a new file. Whatever you do, it doesn't work with the existing file, so you need a new file. So you can convert it. If you have a local converter, just convert your video file. Sometimes it's helpful to make it small because they have a limitation, and even if you are not close to 3 gigabytes, it can be really stubborn. I mean, I have been able to upload files larger than 3 gigabytes, and I had the impression that it's more a manual check and not an automatic check, but it's always highly recommended to use smaller files as long as the quality is good. And what you can also do, if you're also uploading same videos to YouTube, you can go to YouTube and download the videos to your local drive and then upload this new file here. This will be that will be a new file because always YouTube is converting and compressing the videos. So for example, here I have a video, so you can click on these 3 dots here and click on download and you will get a new file. Usually the quality is pretty good, but the file size is usually much smaller. Sometimes I get files which are only about 10%, which makes it much easier here to upload, and it looks like these smaller files are way more successful to be accepted or I mean to be successful here, and then you can enter keywords, description, whatsoever. So that's it as far as my recommendation goes. If you're still not successful, there's a support here which you can contact, support here, and there's even a creator page on Facebook and other sites. So, and they are really helpful. Usually at the end it works out pretty good. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.